in the United States and CUFOR, an equivalent in Canada, took all the known cases and plotted them and looked for comparisons. And they ran tables and graphs and charts, and they found, as a result of the study that lasted months, that working from known data, they found that about 1/3 of the visitors to this planet were humans just like us. Different morphology, different appearances and so forth. Bigger ears, smaller ears, changing them out, bigger eyes, less hair, no hair at all on the body, but human creatures, placental human creatures like us, animals. Second category, a second third. The first third was humans. The second third was what would commonly call grays today, and the reticulans would fit in that category. There are a lot of grays. There's only one gray species that comes from reticulum, and that's often confused. But the second category being those gray types, they are non-placental creatures. You saw one on the autopsy table in the Santilli film. They don't have any gastrointestinal system. They don't have any sex organs. They are a different class of being altogether. We don't even know for sure whether they're animal or not. And they didn't have any sex organs, distinguishable sex organs, so we don't know what sex they are. And then the third class is the catch-all category. Third is the catch-all category. It includes everything else, the tentacled species, the fuzzy blobs, hairy balls, and all that sort of thing. There's a lot of different varieties. But there's a great... Now, this pretty much confirms the statements that the understatement I made earlier, that the nature of contact with this planet is infinitely varied. None of the species are the same. None of the humans are exactly alike. None of the grays are exactly alike, and all of the exotic different species are all different from each other. So that would also tend to confirm the fact that they all come from different planets, from different sources, and they have different technologies and doing different things. Yet they're intelligent enough to produce vehicles and be traveling in space, and that'll be interesting. The possibilities are so vast. What their objectives are, I would have to believe from what I see that each one has his own game, that there is no common approach to the Earth species, that we're just another species that is being examined by different species because we are different from them in some degree. The humans are examining us because we're different humans. The other species because we're different creatures. And I don't see any peculiar pattern of contact here myself, because it appears that we're accidentally discovered by, there doesn't seem to be any program of contact to this planet except by a given species from a given planet at a given time. And there doesn't seem to be any organized relationship involving this planet that would indicate a major project of some kind by somebody. So I've got to believe that our planet, our sun even, is off in the boonies. It's not a part of a regular traffic system. We don't have regular visitors. The ones that find us are happenstance, and they appear here occasionally when they discover what appears to be intelligent life on this planet. And I find evidence in the way this develops that many of the alien visitors only encounter other alien visitors here. That space is so vast and the cosmos is so vast that they just don't encounter each other until they're both in the same place at the same time doing something related. So the reticulans met the Pleiadians here, and they didn't know about them before that because there was no traffic with them.